Did you know dogs use sneezes as their secret playtime language? It might sound surprising, but when dogs sneeze during play, it's not because they're allergic to fun, it's their way of saying, "I'm having a blast, and this is all in good spirit." This quirky canine behavior helps keep their roughhousing friendly and playful, ensuring no one gets too carried away. So, the next time you see two dogs romping around, pay attention to those sneezes. Each one is like a little exclamation point of joy, a signal that both pups are on the same page, having the time of their lives. This sneezing signal is part of a wider range of body language dogs use to communicate their intentions, preserving the harmony in their social interactions. It's these fascinating nuances that make us fall in love with our furry friends all over again, as they reveal just how complex and considerate their social cues truly are.